But it's all good. They don't know nothing. They don't know no better. They're usually done by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're here working twice as long and making way more money than them, but we're not going to talk about that. But yeah, this is a process. It's a process. You know, you got to clean it as you go. Everything gets cleaned at the end of the day. And then when I'm really done with the job, I'm going to acid wash everything, and it's going to look like this.
Okay, my dog Jay is fully
You know what I mean? Yeah, we getting it, y'all. We getting it. ¿Estás pegando esto? ¿Y estás rellenando, verdad?
¿Ah?
¿No estás rellenando?
Ya. Ya pegué. ¿Qué quieres, ahorita?
Huh?
¿Muy bien?
Yeah. We'll raise up the backside tomorrow and put the 3 circles and start laying on the circles, right?
¿Sí, bro?
Raise up the backside.
Yeah.
You done with that mud?
Can you try using somewhere?
I got a spot for it.
Yeah, go ahead. I want to put Portland here. This ain't Portland.
It's cool.
Right there. Portland. And then I want to put Portland back here. I'm not trying to put it where it's going to push my stone out, you know?
Yeah. What's up, y'all? Thanks for joining. We were just finishing up this day's work. We started laying. We're about to install these big old circles tomorrow. They're louvers. Check out my recent uploads. We installed brick and block. And then we built up the stone to it so we can install the circles. They're heavy as hell, but you're getting them.